Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you guys how can you easily hide your activity status on Instagram. So if that's what you're looking for, let's start. First, open your store because we need to make sure we have Instagram updated to the latest version for everything to run smoothly in this process. After that, of course, quit the store and let's go ahead and open Instagram. Right now I'm using a second account to show you guys that I appear to be active on my main account. As you can see guys, even if I open the conversation, it says active now right here in the top. Let's switch back to the main account and show you how can I fix this. From here, you go to your profile at the bottom right corner right there guys. From your profile, we need to go to settings, so tap right here in the top right corner on those three lines. Wait for it to load up. Once it does, scroll down until you find messages and story replies. Go ahead and tap on that. As you can see guys, we find the option that says show activity status. Go ahead and tap on it. Basically, you need to make sure this switch is turned off because once it's on, people can see when you're online and as it says active now on top of the conversation. Now once you turn it off, we can go back and check again and see if it's still on. I'm back to the second account and go to conversations. As you can see guys, the green dot disappeared and even in the conversation it says my username instead of active now. That's basically guys how can you fix it, and if you want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps. This is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.